Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain and finance. Today, we're tackling how to send XDC from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is quicker and more efficient than ever, thanks to advancements in blockchain tech, but let's walk through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and successfully. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have active accounts on both Coinbase and Revolut. You'll also need some XDC in your Coinbase wallet and confirm that Revolut supports XDC transfers in 2025, which it should, as crypto integration continues to expand. Always start with verifying your accounts and enabling two-factor authentication for security. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app or website and log in to your account. Head to your dashboard and locate your XDC holdings. Select the XDC you want to send by clicking on it. Step 2. Hit the Send or Withdraw button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch to your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and copy your XDC wallet address. Double-check this address, it's crucial to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, but remember to account for network fees, which might be lower in 2025 due to improved scalability. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. Coinbase will show you a summary, including estimated fees and arrival time. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You might need to verify via email or auth app. Step 5. Once sent, keep an eye on your Revolut app. Transfers are usually fast, but they could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. If it doesn't show up, check your transaction history on Coinbase or contact support. A quick tip. In 2025, with enhanced blockchain features, always monitor for any regulatory changes that might affect transfers. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your XDC. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.